If your travel business serves customers in more than one language, sending every booking email in English only tells half the story. With WP Travel Engine and TranslatePress working together, you can have your booking confirmations, payment receipts, and other notifications sent out automatically in each customer's preferred language. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set that up. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure the TranslatePress plugin is installed and activated on your site, and that you've added the languages you want to support inside TranslatePress. Keep in mind, the free version of TranslatePress only supports one additional language. If you want to add more, you'll need the premium version. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar and click on Settings. Once inside Settings, click on Emails, and underneath it, click on Notifications. Here you'll see all your email templates, split into admin emails and customer emails. Right above the list, you'll notice an email language dropdown. This is where the translation setup actually happens. Click on the email language dropdown and select the language you want to translate your emails into, for example, German or Spanish. Once you select a language, the templates below switch into that language's editing mode, ready for you to add your translation. Now, pick a template from the list, for example, booking confirmation. Translate the subject line and the email content into the language you selected, then save your changes. Keep in mind, this translation isn't automatic. You'll need to manually type in the translated text yourself for each template. Repeat this for every template you want translated, including payment confirmation and any others your customers receive. As you can see, I've already added German manually here. One thing to be careful about here, some of the email content includes dynamic tags wrapped in curly brackets, things like trip booking details. Leave those exactly as they are, and they cannot be translated. If you change or remove them, the dynamic booking information won't show up correctly in the email. You can also click on Preview to see how it looks. Now, let's see this from the traveler's side. A traveler switches the site to their preferred language using the language switcher. As they browse and book a trip, the confirmation email lands in their inbox in that same language, with all the trip details filled in correctly. And that's it! If you'd also like to translate dynamic content, like this overlay, you can use plugins like Loco Translate or WPML. We've linked the documentation in the description below for reference. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.